DOSCP card through the help of ATBI, the Agri-Aqua Technology Business Incubation. So they helped me a lot about the business processes, business registration. They helped me about the nutritional facts, because they fund some of the incubators for that. And one of my products, or all of these products, funded by the OSP and also the university, they have for microbial analysis, na bigyan nila ako ng grant for that. The nutritional facts, which around 35,000 each product. So for those 3 products, the school and the DOSP card funded around 105,000 for that. Ako kasi ang mindset ko, eto na yung resources, eto na yung opportunity, binigay na ng university, binigay na ng DOSP card, binigay na ng ATBI and all. So bakit hindi natin i-utilize lahat ng resources para hindi siya masama? Yan. So, advice ko sana kung marami pa, actually ngayon, through our team, sa the Intellectual Property Technology Business Management, kasi we assess some of the technologies of our university na ma-promote or ma-level up nila yung kanilang mga researches, from ideation to product.